Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. You guys sick of me yet? This is my third video on the Dollar Tree art supplies. If you saw my other video, I got the container and I got all these delightful markers. Some are permanent, some are watercolor, some, and double-sided. Love them. These, they're nice. These are fantastic. These are fantastic. If you're interested, I will link it at the end of this video up in this corner or down below. If you're interested to see. These I'm thrilled with. You will see more of. But then I have these, and I wanted to try these out. So I got these glitter pens in silver, or glitter markers, silver and red, green and gold. I got these. They're called Dual FX. Make 3D effects. They are double tipped. Don't know what that means. 2 colors in one. Perfect for doodling. I got these erasers and I got these mini gel pens. So let's see how these work. I also got this ruler because I just can never have enough rulers. So let's try the eraser first. This is what they look like. It says latex free because I know a lot of people are allergic to latex. I know Emily is. So I got one. Let's see. I go through erasers like crazy. And let's see here. I love the Vanish ones. However, I have to buy them on Dick Blick or whatever. And I hate paying shipping and waiting for them to come. So let's see. Okay. All right. Okay, that'll work great when I do my, I like to draw my faces and stuff and then take like the darkness of the graphite away before I paint or trace. That's great. Okay, I'm not mad. I can deal with these. I can deal with these. So these are good. You can see I'm erasing. And, yep, they work good. Not mad at these. So I got 2 of these. And I'm very happy. I'll take that paper off though because that's going to drive me bananas. And I probably will buy, and this is what they look like. They're from Jive, which is the brand, that the dollar store and all these are from. So definitely, I never heard of them before, but I am not mad at these and I'm not mad at those markers. Let's hope the rest of it works out good. Okay, so let's do these first, the glitter markers. And these are from INC, so not Jot. Vibrant metallic ink with glitter. Decorate paper, cards, and more. I mean, there's ink in there, or whatever. And you get 2 for $1. Same with the erasers, 2 for $1. Which I have the worst time opening stuff. Which is great. Okay. There's fluid. Just giving them a good shake because they've been sitting. Alright, let's go with green. So I'm going to open it up. It would help if I did on the right side. You can see it has a little, I can even see a little bit of glitter in there. It has just a regular point. And I wanted to try it in the coloring book. Let's try it on a regular piece of paper. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So we can see it better. I have no patience. You should just push it down and just leave it for a second. Here it comes. But I don't know why I do this, but I do. Okay, so. Oh yeah, you can see the glitter. So I'm going to go like this with the green. Oh, that would be great with eyes. Silver. And I'll hold it up so you can see because right now I don't have my glasses on. Oh my goodness. I don't think they had any other colors than this at my dollar store. I'm going to go to a different one. Because I know that they were getting, I'm going to pop into mine and see, because they were putting up new stuff, and then I'm going to try a different one that I know is a bigger one. and see if they have any more. These are great. Let's see. Okay. I need to be a little bit more juicy. There you go. Nice. All right. Red. Which I love the colors that they did, green and gold, because green gold goes together. And then the red and silver. You know, it's almost Christmassy like they did it for Christmas. So that would be great on ornaments and cards and... Okay, here comes the red. Seeing if I can see how much ink is in here. Alright, so it looks like the ink goes up to here, which is pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, look, it's $1 for 2 of them. What do you want, you know? Obviously, if you want it darker, you just push it down and leave it for a second. So more comes out like that. Okay. Not mad. And this is the gold. I want to see if it writes over paint, though. I'm going to have to try it. Come on, come on. I am so pleasantly surprised with this stuff. And like I said, you're starting out and you just want to get, you know, start getting some supplies, I guess, is the way to put it. Those markers, fantastic. And so far, these. I mean, this is all great to use in mixed media. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, she juicy. She a juicy one. All right, dry. Let me try it on here. Let's see if I can. Oh, yeah, look. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I can go in and color. Oh, gosh. Yep, right over the acrylic paint. Nice. Okay. Oh, I'm hitting my camera. I'm so sorry. And I just knocked my thing out. Okay. Am I a mess? Of course. I'm sorry. Just one of those things. Okay, so these. Let me show you these. Look how good. You can see the sparkle. Look at that. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Even in these. Don't forget. Sparkle, sparkle. Very cool. Yep. Okay. Okay, so now I might as well do these. See what these are. I love fine point markers. I have, you know, I have the Faber-Castell, all the fine point that come with them, the big, bold, the medium. I love them, but they're expensive. So if I can find fine point markers that work, I'm happy. All right, we'll do this one first. Blue and purple, and then take that off. Oh, can you see? It has two inks in it. Let's see. Oh, yes, everything, everything. Oh, I'm so getting more of these. Are you kidding me? You can do it if you only want the one side. Look at that. I'll hold it up for you. But I'll just go like this. Oh, these are a win. Win, win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Which I hate saying, but I'm going to say it. And then these. Oh, I'm getting a bunch more of these. I love these. These would be great in my mixed media backgrounds. I'm going to see how they do on paint. You could do one side. You could turn it and do the other side. Oh, yeah. These are a win. These are a win as well. So let me show you. See that? So you get 2 colors in each pen. And I don't think they had more colors in this. I cannot recall. But if they do, I'm getting them. And I'm going to get more of these because who knows how long they'll last. We'll find out. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. I want to put it over paint to see, because obviously that's what I want. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Yep. Okay, good. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy, so happy, so happy. Okay. There we go. Okay, here comes the other thing I'm really excited for. They're mini gel pens by Jot. Assorted colors, 10. Okay, come on these. I mean, obviously you can save the container if you want. I can't be bothered. They'll go in with my markers, and then I can just put them on a shelf nice and grab them whenever I want. That's if I can get them out of the package. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then, again, you can keep them if you want. No, thank you. Okay. Let's see. This is what they look like. That's what they look like. How do they work? Okay. It's smooth. I'll put the colors here so then when I lift it up you can see. These are really nice for, like, you know, adding detail. Some sparkly bits. I guess they have glitter in them. Nice. 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 That's not exactly red. It's more like a melony pink, dark pink, but still pretty. But it's not that. It's for, let's see, green. Working good, working good. Look at that. Green. I have gel pens, and a lot of the times, I don't know why we got two purples, but okay. Wish they would have gave us a white glittery, which is silvery, I guess, but it's not exactly white. Oh, okay, so it's darker purple. That's weird, but okay. But some of them don't work, you know what I mean? Like, they work for a while and then all of a sudden they dry out, and I hate throwing them away, but they don't work. And I'm always like, oh, I'll try this next time, or that. That's a pretty pink, nice bright pink. Oh, these are all great too. That's a pretty color. Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness, I'm thrilled. Thrilled. So they're going in my box of joy as well. Get my box of joy. I am thrilled. I have. Now, I got this case at the dollar store. I got two of them because I didn't know how much, you know, how many I would need. I put these this way. And I can keep all this in here. Come on, sis. And then just grab it, and I have some good coloring stuff. Now, one thing I do want to try very quickly and show you guys, because this is probably the end of the markers. I didn't get any more. So you can see this is my coloring book, and I was trying out the markers, and I wanted to see. And what I love about this coloring book, and I don't have many others coloring books. I might have like a handful. I don't know if they all have the blank page on the back, but you can see it goes through like that. So you might want to put, and it's probably because it's alcohol heavy, but you want to put a, what's it called? You know, like a piece of paper underneath, because when you get all this is beautiful start of a background. You could put your art journal or whatever, ATC cards, piece of paper that you can cut, poster board, you know, and you get all this great, do like this. Let's see if this goes through. So I can like go in here and add a little bit of bling. I'm gonna see if this goes through. And I'm gonna see if this goes through. I'm telling you, do I love these? Yes. I have I don't know where they're at, but markers like this from a brand, and I can't recall which one that are like this. I have a bunch of them. I'll have to look. I know I'm out of the juice is out of them though, so all right, and then we'll just try this one. I mean, this is great. My gosh. I can do one side. I can do both. Outline. I just want to see if they go through. Just curiosity's sake. Oh, God, I'm so excited. I'm going to the dollar store. No, not really. But they didn't go through here, and they didn't go through there. So, very happy with that. So I can just go give it a shake, put it like this. I got my erasers that work. Oh, so excited. Okay, so that is that for the dollar store markers and erasers and a pen and all the things. And I'm so excited. So, remember, always be a badass. You know what I'm saying? And thanks for taking the time to watch. I'm trying to get back in the flow of things, like I said. I have other stuff I want to do from the dollar store, but I think the markers are done. And I appreciate you watching. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. You guys rock. I am so grateful. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.